days 8 p.m. you do say ya jai na me nia je de broso na se de mo mo ni Ghana girls de yet na so ye kan sam de na de na eye ne se eye futu sam ko a enye de although e be bi ho ma woni ye enya adu ye kan sam fa ma your relationship your friendship your marriages any good thing concerning Ghana girls bia ade a metina se a me ma bedo fo pensin mu na ye fa emu aba enti se ene woni master tia for me ko wi wati because stimuchi the friend the physical and I say na wada we try one na the relationships na watching na so me can say na you two and topic no and answer ketua e che brain we dey share that topic o e asem obi dia bedom me e be generate me topic am person me ka ho asa ene na answer no mama me ni maboa me panelists enchire na unim dia yes o topic bi ba me e bobo ho na just obani di ncho enti anya na so about return match sabe ka what you see comfort entry obapa ababa yeah we dey try di yetro wasabe go o be baton sao anya se gitu tell them more na me ka to fo so na no ode a ba ko pe ro ya wa prophet the whole Anglo Junction was shatter baby a wo ye sofu a watching tini papa friend am Jenny there bia no wato roya apapa
ya me
na o he ya me ta friend na se ma no fom na me kana na e royal prophet na na ba fu ono ha se na peke and also the fu
da
royal wa so no ye
na ho de pa
se u bu so da kakra na no asa
wa se me ko ko she pa
so on the about anyway and that topic and we be there asem abadon na asem nyina ne say bem no se Ghana girls ye twetwe ho onya obabi oba na onya no oba ne se bem be bi ni no ada awo na now treatment or the man ni nti o meja na o muja ye no waye na adwuna na so o ne ti mo ko se enya je se obema bem be bia de ne ho aka no ebiem ati so wa ti be ma nso hu no pe pa enu nti no wo ye kakra ye na ware chenchirenchi di mu ade pa kuma se aware ebi no de ye wo wie ye obi o mo very nice apartment o ba se there bi ja wo mo ko 5-star hotel wo mo ko di o mo honeymoon na se no e na asem wo ma ko dra wie o ba ya ko ja be na so ko ja si aduma no se honeymoon de mu ni de duma na bruce na omo ye bibia no be ya ni bo be ya de so stay ade ya tabia omo de do ti we de mi ntuno e ti ene be ma ko kun fa ni so jare a na be ma sa dai samme ma hwewo abo ho ka aye wa ware de bita ene so se enam ma de yi tu ni be jai dia ene fam se kama no ti ya ba dum Ghana girls say ene come myself. And know that the marriage topic is sex before marriage and after marriage. Dear he pa and na sana. You move on as a no kakra. Near shas or ban a bema. Man in this incident as a oba. So there's some young can. What do you want to say? Obey what if what that's what if that's all bad. Why mistake you bring? So again, what's just a share and son over him. Son at ye. Obviously, was a it's why biscuit for her. She said, Bigre. But, what's all you want to say? What's the any year comes?
It's your teeth and wash your food. My son, baby. Obani a mistake. Sex before marriage. Enti. Ni ni etwa de sinya so. nyamenti ase wo ma yini mo de befa nyamenti ase ni mo ntina ebi mo be say mistake na so ka she na so ka she sister on to ka mo da I was a second hand as he did nyasa
second hand be as he did
definitely asante for so bin ton akoko be eba into the fact say me dey for say atale me kan ho kire say for to be one one mintimi nso am
nti obi me to do koye mo aduma
ti ne so wo na ba wi akoko ani ni abo nti oba no wa any mistake o hear right ti ento aso
nothing any na ye call me to me main topic for the day sex before marriage any sex after marriage and no be your home asam first no na say tinase bema na akatesi akata hu si na bema be wa we say ase asesa they say the yankata ye hu si e mema na kika hwe ansa na on be wa ye ya wa bi mu bra wu mienu mi ansa nine ansa na ya kore ya papa enti mi bi say adan na sa dem asesa adan na sa
odo le dance e me share a see food and wash the American say on say first no say no e na na po efie bi mo ho a omu na ko ekobu se fie we mu sem emu nipa etisen ansa na e bi on be ma ne ba kra ewuram a wewuram say yare wo ho say omu wo ayi bi agusua mu ntawanta obi ansa na but enene ntisa sa na ema ni nyina ye de etwem
aya otumunde
so enti no so ba so wo so wo mura ware mu a ene be ma no ni kan en hihye wo kakra so what you say ne hwe ni ema bi se be bo wo na so obetimi awura mu na wo wura
mate ho na se na pese mi say adie nti na sanse saye no aba bibi asisi enu nti na sanse saye no aba na se yanim die emroso enu nti na say sa no ma na sesa
na de metia kan say ne ma ko ne ye ko yanim na ne ma bebre asesa
okay
first na seri misika medi kan no ni awofo no kratimi ene so de bi ni pana na pe no akofa na ade first na awofo na ne timi kope ni pana ma no na ko ma na ye de aware enso na ntisa they say ni pana choice ena wo meki enti so ofa dia na so ofa no mu se bi obetimi ni pana ye de atabi se me ko aware na se mi ko relationship no nyame ma me na ko
be da ho abekira de
me na me de me ko enti bibia mi face ni aware ni ma na mi face ni wo relationship ni bia no eye me myself enti wo se me ni pana etina
that is say the one my you say sex before marriage no eye ma
me pa
papa na so e
erade yankopon chira on sho onti ne chiawa hwefo na otifo o sase o say tetema na busuafo ekofi ko bisa busu echi redie ne wo fi redie ne wo ndie ne wo ba se nie ma da ne to no a wo kom no ono na waso ne be ma ne kote ada na wo kom ne be ma ne kote na we du awade do se busuafo ni wo chinkwaje aswa me kamite ne chese se nipa nsuro nyame bi se nipa suro nyame ebu awrade e de ni die ma abusuya anka sex before marriage kan kenya de kra osan ketana so kraka cause me shia brante minim ne da me shia baba wa minim ne da minim na busuya se twere wom se dam wom se bi wom no me ni am no fo agene gene me a no wa hwe me o wi mi wie ye afa ni makom se boy ni fie no kwata e wo fie ese ni pebi na makobra ya so da ya so si magede ma na mu se anu so ni frawo ana mi jaye mati esi kwame so ahwe me afi me so dambo high grade e wo fie makwasi
enani nyina
makwasi
7 nyina
let us say one kasa wa bara bone kura agensrepe cause when be 35 years not even remember 35 and that abraham area sister only plus 2 chance difference in
wow
to go mama no si beba sex before marriage any question get na so kraka me share oba na me person no wale na bi ka ko fi ko bo ma bi ana ni ko bo papa ma ni machine pass me say ofifie beam ofia if you for the say enti fa lebra me nhwe empen yesi ba bia pani etena se a wo behunu no akorrect na people so kora wo hu but enne nyame a yensu bible say nyansen fiti ase ni nyame suru yensuru nyame ye hu ba na to so sabi ni mpokua de na so na ya pese e kabishe afa kabishe ya de nyame taste or the nyame taste say I guess be 944 yes nyame taste kama Jacob ukosia Rebecca wale na na we ya mama no for 7 years saa wie ekoware Leah ehun se enya Rebecca kra ne de na bere no wasan ya na da adwuma 7 years 14 years no ba ne nada but the big na be kan die e ono ne Jacob e brade ka brim be chelo ka brim e be chelo usia obi o mo ne ho mpae unhwe di ositi enen na ma problem be bra ba bias senka yina ye train sex before marriage sex after marriage ka sumdie be ba
ozo ka bi mami
me ka bi mam
no
Debbie
kasa tente ma no so
see ade bo na hu se ade die we wo person ka ko se but mam say na no dia be
ya yamra ho nemu se ya me ba yi ama wani ana me yere no ana me sister yi me chiri bire bi etwa me chiri condemn ba ana ma to bisi bia imagine die na nimbe ye ene die me nimbe ye ene wa wo ye me yere so nimbe ye let us amwa ye me ensa but se me ni she e bia ye shia na ye yesterday ho but ya na ya anya she ana ye ntem kurate ya ye she betima relate fine unu obi da you are entrusting your life in the hands of the person. You are releasing your soul out to the person. It is a mini ability we no worry. Maybe I was trained plan nipa mako 35. No money na your sex before marriage. Mini aba. It's here fit.
Fit by head down.
That's it.
Mama be say ka brown.
They make can say. Sa aware no anasa relationship a wo ko wura mu. Eye wo ni wo a wo ko wura mu na wo ko wura ade bi mu. Ade eni kwasa wo do tije. Anase amwa wo no fa wo tinye den enko wura ho. Enti mama ne wontina. Mama hu suban. Se do be si akasa me. Se do be si treat me woni pem.
And no sex encounter.
Access encounter say eno na lead. E bi no me no wo be da anase me wow, oku ho no kra na me wo
ade a me timi si ho kwan ye wo ade a yetimi ye ho aduru ye wo ade yetimi de mpai boye se be ma wo bo oba mo ko te se de na mo ware se de won tiri nyai be ma woni mo ba ho kasa yi ye de ne fa pere ata wo kra emfa ba se ma ware ya wie be ma no ni pipisa sister and the doctor amuzu pi amuzu why ebu ebe twetwe ni say tenten ebi am ware no ne style bia wo yi nyama ni ka sister ye kire
oh go no kwacha na he
wo kwacha na we and then fa na wo kwa kuche wo I am say wo wa
wo ni nti a
ye we back pin ma hu die si tie community ko baby
love ye ba ware it goes beyond sex. Communication is the greatest tool for marriage. Semetro metimi no wada saa the whole year na metimi no ni nkoma ware nya ware
na ye ka sa illustration ya de man ye fa obi ware ye nko ho ni mu ni ya enu na ese ye be
enu ni pesa
so ko mu ade ye no e mo se saa de we ontimi but senko re oye na ko ni tina kakra no hu se se na siti a enko we wo nko ho kenye ni so ko bo ka o se wo je ne sika back o ba yi we enti ade ne de wura mu hwe na hu se eson esua metimi aje metimi nye obey
na me busa mi nya ba se enti owura mu hwe ye na eso ontimi nye obe ya to
na mi rade na me ka se mama fa
neba
ene pa me ja ko o ya ko
na me wuram na wo se eso ontimi a na o ja ho
na me ti wo were
eno kire ba bia wa bra bo na
anasa me ye nso a esa ye ketua na me mpa I want to make a baby.
And I'm not going to say the baby pie and son of what do I want to I don't know idea what's happening. I say, Oba warrior drew bra, our dear Benny, when I'm shabba, no bent in him. because on a bed you know what you not trying.
And what you wouldn't what what you
was
what you wouldn't what
There be many what they are and after marriage and into the
oh
be yent in young waduma. Laugh a bow sex is 1% of marriage. 1%.
1%.
Adia yen chere wa sorry dem bebre ma Christopher ni awale to form completely e communication me ne me yere da me pesa me yere so maso me ne me yere da me pesa me yere de me nsa wura maso me pesa me yere ade me nsa fefa me
you mention my name
me pesa me yere ese me bo but me tini communicating can't say me yere say oni me da ya so communication is poor in the marriage. Into a crowd bontin a otimi nya nadam fo bi ka kire ze me de mi kunu de me ne dan campus so me about otimi so wadan fo na wo ka kire no de na obitima otimi mo ene wo yere ntina se oni me da me pesa wo de won sa so me cheat spinal cord no bi a bontin
hey na sa me no
it's not percent here me de me se me pen no ene communication if communication exists say ni pa no ni pipi so you enjoy him to the fullest. Sex said man the solution so nyakotekesi and akoteketo. Sex is a feeling, it's a communication. Obi great me na yere da no one penetrate. It's not man feel comfortable.
Yes.
But the person say some person will tell say obet oya no mo en nke say okotoka just say test station. And me chance me ka say on talk am no da. Okọ garage okotoka am na. The other test up na nya me anima akofi. Yes. The other test abani yes because and they see for testing. Obi aba no to the call. But we are ready now with your kasa. You brand new our family. Sister, we are brand new na we can miss it. Brand new now what can instant one na be bet me see what can. Eya botoyem. Sama ware na ye virgin. Na when your problem that me here no ware no be am.
So I want no
yes.
Yes, the little powers.
And I was way. Now to your virgin.
But not
I cannot.
Not to your virgin.
Not to your
virgin.
But I hire pound.
See, menka say car na koto free garage.
I won't na koto enti na odi.
There be that for na koto nje. Some koto get free Toyota garage. Na me nya problem. Toyota is responsible for the fault. But me the for say abom me car won ha. Na ebisi me hunu car me pe na wata sister e dey hu muso yin ade kofi udi duru am na ga junction na nji break e frɛ me what ya kako aso ata ba nche wabo uduru kwa no awu a na nkwase fo de a enti sa wo be test the end 2099 na so test
na matin se me am say Bible me dey me nim quotation ku sa me but also say Bible me say ofo ba na na eda ye ho ade we just say Bible pray on also before marriage
also go fa oba na wonya nyen ho ade na de ne ho kana o se wo ko tua ni tiri nsama na busu na tse wa fo wonya nware ne ni kwaso de ho kana
na susu ni nyina e se ko tua ni tiri de
na bi ko tua ni tiri tse se me de me ho aka no tse se ma me wa no
enti te say ye wo de kana na ware na
ye body ma wo kana
scratch ma ka wo tse se
menti a de wo ye so fi tiri mu
se wo de wo ho kana na wonya nware na yentem ko tua ni tiri nsama which means wo wi ade ye wa bokoro no go and make yourself available to the family say na me name oba ishisha wo marry enti ho ken
that's who we are there na we wa pepa
wa muso ba wo ware no so wo se wan ka se u ko di aka wo se wo ko test ana bia me test me nua be mo so be enkoyi no Bible say
e bi su ka na so de enkoyi ne sha na me mpe
anya ne
e try dey obo hopa we me bi sa asem papa dey ka
anya ne ke chore ne kesi asem sama test ne nko ana Bible say me ware enti bi so me so me test ye na me mpe enti ada na me nko commit me ho nwi na me hu se me mpa but we have other conditions e ma wa dey ya wa dey oba obu ade obo ni mabie ne mo oba oni be ma ho kasa oba oni mfie kura oba ode asudie ba fie oba otini bua ma be magina ne na so just ni ma bebre even beyond sex so betimi o ye that na dey maybe 3 months kana mo na but
sasa na ta 3 months na ne obe ma no huni ho e di sam no bet na dan
na bom sa no mutu bom se
ene me se wo koye bi wo baby na abeda dia me.
Asema me ka.
Asema on
asema
me
ka say
na no.
1 year.
Me ka say 3 months me na you. Me see a bit to me aba.
E betumi no say free.
Na yare. Na won yare.
Me ka say we yare.
Odo na e me.
Oba ya honam fama. Yes, sex is a tool for the jobless man.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
My men can't send me to Ghana TV. Can you be anyone know about that 3 times?
Almost I'm not
3 seconds, not so condemn. Open business.
Oh, 3 seconds.
For see for the Sampana boys. Over to my son so 4 days, no, sorry. Only a bloody apple. Yes! And to catch him say, yes! Walk. Skinny in a businessman, Quasono. Papa, open back your Papa, first Papa. But Sampana every day. Was also 7 days in the week. Then they feel a boy they would need me. Now, get now boy they win now. Or some sugar daddies or this from
Sir?
Now, Bema also 7 days or call my Bema of first hour. Yes.
It's an upper parcel.
86 and a baby kitchen.
Mamma Yanka. May take us back. Sex before marriage and after marriage, dear him, and a year. As a son, if she more Ghana for, and I say, mine more. As a sabre, and then a year come myself. That is a new woman, Yafa. There was a ye, and now ye baby. It's papa. Oh, some of the candy, but oh, I'm a go with you.
Mamma cancer, who say on sex before marriage, and then Libya man numerous sexual escapades are those. O baby feet said Ben maybe natina, or you soon now one warino. I feel credit me pet Ben Macrani Masha or my brother Bobby. I feel no yes, be bit and time. Or Ben maybe to say my show, baby, sir. Menina Shawa, you now monoso with me. I feel the Metiana Papa saw my men were in the bill. Michelle Macuma couldn't also come at the I feel not any more rabbit, now yet tanta. But see me the music was said. Men family home can also family home coming. Ye cherry at the bread, so and Kawema. Enti we na eye bonsam me akono bone me ya beto otu za akono na wura no
enya we nya akono asem love me see obi a one oba no etinai o man tina say bia na sex bia nka mo o worry ni wie ye no no hu say ne kunu ni ye gay or please or pese of fan to hey and so say kayin ko ne tina ye and one ne da ba ku mienu miensa bia ko be hu ba bia ono so
na say on
there is some sometimes pa anybody so fuma na no of
na me fa from 2 angles so kra na me ni abani ntwa so say on ne tina ya ka initially class still the one of fa into ne tina netin omo ni aba na wo ko ware no so oni Kristo mu nyina so okoshi abema no number 1 okoshi abema no empire bo be no di awade na chi se awade anamo ametu kasa kire
for sa ho ne de ye yi free ho you see ye ka aso am ba ai
sentire
ye ka sama
aye bia bra ni papa se wode ni nyansa ye no enye ni ye e ho na pese me ka kosi wode wa ho de ni onim de ye a wo bepem misia wo ban e ni mo ye me fe o form o body we de me ware na be gwan sesa samampoma yo wa e ho sensen ko amane nko a samampoma yo wa si honi and now she am 50 40 now mo of sister Labroski guess enkoye ba ko pe na wa ye me ho style bi no e be bo I'm telling you
into one say previous tutu ni ba wanya be mama na wale no
me ka se wonya bi ubenya bi obi ade ne shabre ne nkrabia but me person who statement am make say wakowari obi oyegi and am say osia be man number 1 osia bibi sia oba and also we gida tutu a me dey me see me dey because me say oba na company or say 7 days in the week in Nigeria so because on the week in the no so that to be sia na me say me pedia I must increase my sex work because the Yamako family no or send a building or send a day one sound college. Misia or Bawa yeah Juma or when the BBA. I was saying to me here Juma said that they are making no prison so I don't become a flop. Our dear a Bankum Jari in front of Jari Bankum. Our dear a well partner and a fallen shot, then you also come in. It is also Makosia or Makosia Bema or you gay, Naminima. No, you didn't pray about it. You didn't take it before. You didn't take it before God. O suffer penny crowd and
love, or beat me yen and
what is the essence of the Holy Spirit in your life? What is the essence of the Holy Spirit in your life? What is the essence of your life? Maybe a soft. A radiant friends and may argument or friends and may defend the gospel. Okay. Into the say, what's the radical crew in Paris? Ovi no san kato so say nemu enya mepe ma wo penyo na chese nipa bi abra bo me rade penyo but awade na me kofa ba ye na mu say rade me di na ho ofe me di ne to kakra ka bi di ne no fu bi eso bi na me say me ware no na fe wa kofa ne no amfa ai so bi akogi bangolo no de kokwaso wa mo ne so fo amane wa mo mo mpa ye wa nya hye amro be si hia ne to go kwanso de rade disappointed na me amanka danka
na sasia ye twe ho I hit for pan the generative year, a man and man, my pan and man, they change ya, but one a man about sex before marriage, you know. Why would a man about
the philosophy in imagine I say, a syncrophobic trim say, even some koto camper, one of the Amazon Kawate.
So, how do you?
As some say. Okoto camper, there was a test drive. And then I'm catching me a say, on top car, Monada. Oko garage, Okoto car, the other testing, and you know, because I said, car now, a nini panayana. It's to be beat to miss what car, I don't know, say, some coffee or bed free, after the free radin, after the free a radim, and number, and you won't come she say yes one. Bibi ebesi wa wade ni maka mi fi wona fa we ni bla bibi na ebesi wa wade ni no enya ade ebekomi o eye bonsa mo so hwe ewade be mama gina mo
etu wo fa royal wai ena no onya virgin ena ko kwa sampa mu ana ade ayese man go say daga wura ma no to mu
yes
eno no
me ni ko ewade ni ma ewade se pene no me ko is anete a me ni problem because ewade na se me fa unim se ba ni ewade mo di fo bi ware tutu ni ba
eno wana ka me be kan
for every man has got a purpose and assignment. Already the bell may be the sister Yabrabo. Someone may one for the new baby. Maybe I know you could. But now what the sex upon the Panamanico. I'm a dainty. Every so many power ban or you in Silan or be a boy for a month. But what also to be also no for be actually a brand, I can't be a baby or two bed to me. I think also I am out with him. 80. Sex before marriage, it is something that should be abolished. Say, you know, idea who see what me radio. Ah, can you never?
Now, the American say, I know the sex dear, the kind of room. The book of them may be crowd or one young pit. Just what you know about your difficulties for what
we are shifting from sex to personal hygiene. Three months. I don't need sex. I mean hygiene.
And I'm making what's an
different from say Messi or Bana Mr. Dino. And different set Menene Koda.
So we'll get too close and another
Debbie. Eh, in 20 minutes, Bantan.
We are distant. When you're there, say, none of the
this is the court. Oh, honey, it's saying, be a
not the down, so to chew.
Very good. Or Cassandra class and people want to do my Mexico, honey, sent to India. But you didn't say a double one. What the more you get close to a person, a man I will see more what kind of him doesn't get a child.
If you saw no dab. Obe get too close.
They make a
now that them now papa.
Only say utini so be inside the call altar so say Ewurade me ware obey. Na me koduru ho na ni people ye ketewa say odo. But 1 Corinthians 13 was say odo kata bi.
No that be kata be kata we.
Ade ame hu say
kata ketewa ne so.
Tobo.
Hey, suffer.
People ketewa. Ano wa hye kese.
Una wo ka de na ano na ese.
Mantala. People ketewa.
Where do you want to?
Omo yes, ana ma ne ka. People ketewa say say dey
People ketewa no want to.
Me say.
Suffer.
Aya busa mani bi. Omo mo say people ketewa ne so omo no. Testing officers no.
Obe test ya.
Na wo wa ko wura ma ko chatting babia. Wo de apapa ya boda so ye de.
Enye no cred that.
Ma no be oba keto a ye mfa ye ho nkan ne da. Wo de sabi sokodi a ewura na sekora ye ne ya. Enti pipi keto ne de. Pipi be na de keto a duru sokodi a. Pipi bi aboro sokodi a so. Na chese wo ba no say ye obi amfa ne ho nkan da. Ana enya ho na ye wo de. Ana wa test ya ma bibia. Wonu ma ba ya to so a. Pipi be ne so. Bibi en so. But say what test here? Must say as Russia, no minister CBN. And TBC, no, they on the next one. And the catcher testing before a Okoyana, Woko Choba, Anna Benkura, but also Tobago 3 cities, or you Benkuru, a pot of you or Taffer, or the may test it.
Or testing with Janiso. If Jan would declare testing.
Imagine say wakoto A1 pan say free food pan ratio when you say madam man test one no be have fan no dey agama wa dey na be see ahye na so no
o test o dey me ma frafra ye no
pan wa ye ntumi ye
na sa pan o so madrid ya yi na kom na hu say aye okay
ko ba bi to pan aye okay na ma to bi a o yi ba akoto nche na obi e ka bi hye dey e ya to nche na obeto nya no ye de be ma wo ye tiri ka se bubi ka hye na be ya to ye no eniye. Into a buy a tested and you will be a BBC, and at the end tested and you will be a BBC.
Then there was some tested away. Eh, now I mean to me, now make me, I mean, I'm a some economy. Even because I didn't quite say make a success. Never made them pie one ever home. I'm not sad a swabete, and that's why I'm not with the pie one ever bound. I'm not then I can say. I didn't want my now for so much
for me, actually.
Who for so much?
7 or bar acid. Say a true time I want to never die. It can widen to the largest thing on earth. Send ye oh,
we are not
communication now make one some I wanted. Oh, babes, we dear, who people in the solo into the soil to superior. So, money means in Kakre.
Only a Ghana girls. Baby, I went to be.
Any credit and money you send me and any Cassian Cabin. Very good. It's Kakran not at the end of adjusted to the new environment. After 3 months, 4 months, I don't know about Cat's sister. What over is working a day? Power
girls. And so what's the said,
so manager.
For one of the importance of staying away from sex.
One, it is a dignity to be maintained. One. Unsatiti mirimo. Said you no cofa titi brima, but mammy so cofa titi brim. Titi brim see a water or bad in the qua. Unim said, ne virgin moja, and a yabusiano priority. Ye call warina, ye didn't come. Ebusia ne papa ne ma bi nua mu nyina atwan se ne kunu pe pia bonten aba no wayi bed sheet white de pia bonten se mo ba no ye virgin ti ye ne koba na ebi ni ma
so bi afa
utiri sakura ye nyi because of obusia ne ni ma se but ene ya to amamre ni nyina ato atwene eno be 16 years girl sister asefem sa udi agoro papa be saying the wedding ring the flat or baby as a cohesion. Aye. What did they send them more? And I'll pay helmet and I'm going to come in a light possible. No, you wouldn't go. I could be a silly actually. I just had a warranty boot. 60 years. 60 years. Now, who 60 years are born you are over 39 when in our home. You understand? And then I must say, Uber be a red, Uber be a TV, yes, you're to draw, was it a Kuma, you're to draw, Uber, yes, because or should we have yes, you're testing it now. If you are something for cancer, we have a car, a big case.
Okay,
I didn't know you were alone. And if you flatten, not in Kaya any better. What better? But it brings dignity to women. One, it brings dignity. Two, it brings respect to your family. Emma, a poor bow of Muslim. Ben Macro Cassa with me, or your virgin and no ferry. Because men are Matian. And to hear who's ferry. You understand? You can't complain at the least thing. It brings respect, it brings dignity, it brings value. Who said, me yiri what do no cram on me? Me yiri what boom it in West Yamama. You understand?
It is when you says in work as a week news would be no cremania. We didn't bet me a casa.
I don't know, building on a two-way thing. Said Bema and Wamba, a Wawa Dima. Bema Chitty, say, I'm under money, Kuruma, Bema Chitty, a funny number. Oh, Bema, dear, I am an but Oba, what's our dear, so budget here. One Casama, crab it with you. Which means that the value and the dignity of a woman before marriage must be honored and preserved. It didn't have the way. Unfortunately, more. So that what damn person in Sumia she is at the hall and I don't 1 a.m. no work. Nipa bear 73 or Matestia or Betniana.
There is no protection.
The real Bessia will bring their man can take a more copy of the chairman. Eh, Timicra, eh? There be a cousin was on his own. He will be a while in the next 5-10 years. Is young crophobia or money adapting your home? Because I'm here, so my common go for very good. Or in the name of air testing. But clearly, you see why. It is for your consumer. But I don't say,
Mamma, so what's you? Upon someone walking can't do with you, may assure so when you have been touched. But more the importance or benefits, so obey abstaining from sex before the life. What's your take on that?
There's still a lot of
no, and it's who are importance be a better attached to what you are saying, like so a man or dance, who are the things to be a benny free.
I did it to a many from a baby. Business and love. Me, share my bravo one. I didn't make that and I'm because I didn't make me tickle a walk and see a for better or worse. So, and I give and yet a year no can't I say, maybe me tickle room, not and you mean to me. And I didn't my mini kind. And just I didn't make me a bad 1 year now. And 1 year may die. No matter comment. So what I say, this will be in the way, let them make me general come anyone, and no, and a honor, I didn't couldn't be a bad. And to me, some more from my snap can tell me, say, my main no one's not a Uber warren me, the horse you want, course from the max and I want to sign a match, say, a wabber warren maybe into my main share, say the city, or Casa, me names of Obesi, and Macassa, me names of Obesi, treat me
from sex to a different thing.
And
that the baby Casa or different from sex. Meet me sweet talk. Meet me a crow when you was soon the sermon, you was mamma, why I say they hewa. Now my testimony out. When maybe you see Cassandra on Park or me, or we or maybe testing our pet.
Samson or no to me, Eddie, sir, a year, or
don't see what
the map was set. I'm in. So what yes, will bet me up every year. No,
you don't see my free store. And I do not ask me to see you don't see my mouth. And I need to know or can has aspire. You know, Catas was a difficult. Obeto.
And the aspiring date,
Obeto.
And the aspiring date going to
Obeto. Measure wouldn't say well institute churches. Be a Obewaria. The Maya sexual implant test. Yes.
What's a radio?
Yes. We go check it for sperm quality. We go check it for hormonal balance. We check it for blood group. We check it for sickle cells. We check it in. Se niema we na ye bi no favor ya. Sa pipi ketwa na nya ho na ye hwe.
I don't check it to make out.
Ana na check pipi ketwa. The reason and the purpose of God for marriage and yet for pipi ketwa and for multiplication and increase. It is a pipi ketwa se sperm quality na no wase. Na the tafo do pia no problem. Na chesa upeni ni foforo nya wade enti ha mo ware say lie me bande na Edwin na Bachna na Collins abane na woche na we to aso eduru me so na sia na masamba eno na wo pe enya ware
na me need satisfaction bia was ade na me
unsa you don't need
Debbie
sa so de wo na
ka ho ena ma ware di mu satisfaction no e ka ho na ma ware di mu so we need that there now obi betimi kwa ja wo yiri mama
the person chere say
so wo wo yiri ma and you have satisfaction
and your penetration one the satisfaction meaning ko me me sofo
obi ani ba bia na dia
marriage counseling mo bebe oba bi timi bon ka sofo me de mi ko oba bi ni ko na problem kidi obekom no ba betra say madam dia say mi ko me person no me da ko de nse ni ma so me ho na me feelings say let us say penetration now penetration ne kra be man na penetrating no fan no o de o penetrate afata kra no fe no ma so me de no.
But you know, sir, there's this saying said we are not that tenor. It's just about one or two pen or multi orgasm because they don't actually know what entails in
that is it. It's communication. Me kunu me yere me na woda so me ha me ha ti me ha bu me ha no me ha fe me ha na no say ampa and no na me pe ma me ti we do the day of testament love till now she doesn't know what she wants.
Love tie
so we need ya
me de me nim de me pe tie ade no ma test me no nyina bom say ye betina se awa so what ya say tena se ware ye wie wo de car ye mfa to ho car na de ye mfa to ho instant na bibiesi ama ade na wu no me ye ne den me fa me hu nsia no to bra ade no enti me wu enti o pa test ho no me ba fa fire ana de me no
ba say oni mi so me ya
la me ya na wo me ba enya wo do eye sex ni die ka me ware mu
Messe just a bit commercial break behind to papa o da sugu so o mo ko ha se penny be hye ye afa na oba ho ka fra no ma bebre abesa o dan so o mo do mo fa na wet betuja o me kan sem ka tell say no some na ye carry sex before marriage and after marriage dia hen eneye eno na ye ka ho asem say baby ya ka ko ru some person be say the effects of it say bia papa wonne obaby any profua de da asan no man do they have any effects in it like it has bad implication bi wo mu ana
I mean cancer mention say many abayanet na bia ya we ho na ya ware one there is no trust
okay
because if you say
side of the man and I say
oba no ene be ma ni na obi aju obi ani
okay
because when you say me mistake I do I was see we me no sa no be you do about it you understand what I'm saying
yeah
but say me ne timatina say 3 years 2 years akoti ansa ne ye ware a me tiri jam ku no jam yire ho to kwan knowing say
wait me a change
yes that is one point number 2 second kind it brings dignity to woman so no kuna ko dem honeymoon finest hotel Dubai na Turkey na ukunu rewa na moja ta virgin eno kwa ne timi to Ferrari wo ade ma wo serious and remember what this genuine happiness we wo say me na me break ya so me say o we na me na breaking
no or your
oh we na me na breaking na sa kasa remember pet sa pride oh we na breaking Then he said, "Me, oh, when I'm breaking me, that's joy." Three, it makes the man respect the family of the woman.
Talking of the effect.
I mean, I make a joke.
Okay.
Say anyone and disrespect the man.
Yes, that's how I want you to.
Yes.
Okay.
And disrespect the man. Sex need to come back. Oh my God! I send senior at Nasiaka. You come from us and so come here. No bad no fun. Yes, no Diana. Or bad shower you. Disrespect. These are the three things I will hammer on. Our baby and financial say, or the baby on the mobile. Now that's it. A quite be a man. I hear you should have the man. Naka so besasha. Imagine. Yeah, and Taffy besasha. Any one santiful besasha. A paper for fantiful beer. Try to be a bit thing. And some of our Mr. Right, but brought for now. The name said, "Then be a Mr. Wrong of the
So be a bit pretty about me, sure, so Mr. Wrong.
It is a mini balances sex after marriage, dear. And another someone like a cassa, Nisuba, and a cassa, the neatness near that in your name 1 year. We share in the normal, you know. And also, Bevan because a gay grad, we share in the yarn and the that is it. It is something we should not condone.
Am I in the effect of it? I don't think it will help, say. Only member bedded us and more hour. What should take it? For me, I think I'm okay. It shouldn't happen. You can say yes, sex and sound.
Anyway, say illustration I did kind of mind in the first place. No, I said, I didn't know why I said, Obano, baby, I walk around. On some on Camusa. I
said, but press remember, but I meant yes, I want to say.
On Camusa, and Puni soon.
Sound
or it's a bit or Miss Soon, the crowd would be or soon. I didn't know Sabasa. There be my many wants now. No mean who said I give you a bad one, and one, no much me was you. Me children free one, I come in, you come in and I said, the bad woman. Now, cook on the bed. Now, men can say, them no better, and as I say, no matter who say, so cry and say now, tea. Why did you say it here? And woman, as a cry now, me no one tell me. The piano, and to qua, and it is a to quamp with that. And I do win me for can't sit no matter. Now, like meet me, I have who when you. So I
along the way 5 years in marriage. Now be many people and also.
Mommy, you watch mama.
And some cafe in a Muslim in a Mako room. So if you any some me,
from what you mammy pick a nuts and I know move way dear. Now I Ghana girls and I wish so many enough of bless you. I don't want to pass so movie on the battle now. Which I say, will be an and I drink today. The I didn't say a yano. I was several to me a day. No, the beer mono. Yame, it did. Mammy, I didn't know. And then I knew, so I said, better.
Far to yeah. Yeah.
Acting like a drunk.
First one, now the idea.
Let's all cry, we are actress, Hannah. And you acting as a drunk lady, so we are for me and I am. So I know a dean, that being changing over
Miss as a man can lie, Miss it, I did in a big war now. But you're right. What the more they may be so. What one? Shiny. For. Johnny, I know you know my idea for me. When to me, I got a message. So, you need better trust.
May yes said I sent me. Obianos.
Ghana girls. Only one Ghana girls now. I promise you for to remember. I'm not going to market. Ghana, so I had the audience.
Dance for me.
Dance. Hey, I know why.
Dance for me to Mamma. Mamma tell them.
Ah, never send it there.
And just like I'm catching said dance to this music. Debbie.
And I'm not going to come on.
Debbie.
And I saw that challenge.
Challenge you.
Come on, I live this way.
And then Mamma said,
when man can you pass it dance dance. Hey, Nana sorry. Debbie. Will be a no sister. Yes, original.
Next month, I
Mamma,
don't know.
If Edamriku, only our dear man now council come them.
We were Pentecost. Where we worry, as well became, yeah, never been.
Ain't me from?
Factual.
Name. Okay, I will say. Continue this school song. Yeah.
Yame, Obeka,
hey, rain, go away.
20.
Okay. Mention it as a dinner to school.
Said you're tuning now, grandson. What's in Anna?
Rain, go away. Rain, go away. Go and come another day. Little children want to play. Rain, go away.
Again.
Rain, go away. Go and come another day. Little children want to play. Rain, go away. The final words. Shall be so near that. Sex before marriage is not something I was saying in the ocean. Shall never wow. Never read any one in kind of 80 million. The being shall be a man, I shall be a man of Senior. The Jackassian Mark means for remaining a prophetic arena chapel worldwide. I will come and say another junction. The Jackassian, a mommy man, this is Mary Balfour. Enumer, Radisha will be the arrow share as a mighty anyway. God bless you.
Okay. So, I make and say, yes, oh, why? Dear, that woman, your fee said a bad woman, my neck, we now go on terminal. I yet come on, and no, and there was a way. It is our rare idea. Who could remoa? Who do tea or crown be behind the cold remo? It's the idea of a couple remon so a decent son so big a bed. Wakasemi mu young ade was all chum a free. The first account is so much here the software Reverend Eric and Fuma or Apatra Triumphant Baptist Church, a mere poor for youth, any member poor for Yina, which ya will be which ya may ba Randolph, Blessing, Sylvester, and a bright, which ya will be an uncle Amen.
Amen. We shall Ghana girls. Oh, hey yo. Yeah, they are brought a baby, yeah, not a silly pan, there's a soup. Eh, they are one night. Time on the soup. I'll see a cock, good for frost, ever. And a strong to come to change now. So, comment to be suggesting me. Anything at all, best or cafe program you will be a open to me, their home your Facebook. Ghana Girls 2018. Instagram to see a Ghana Girls 2018. If I shall follow me. Now the other can be a share now, Yaje, me papa months here or birth months. I can't really remember the date. I think it's 26 or something. And it's happy birthday in advance. We do be Joanne. Hey, whoa, Casado, Gloria also say, we are funny now. And one thing, my cousin, mother of the worry, I will come this month, yeah, on the 21st, 9 a.m. anɔpa ɛwɔ cabinet checks ɛwɔ taf mommra na mommɛboa nyame nhyira mo yɛdin ɛde love adɛyɛ boa afie sika nso so for sure ofrɛ me amagye so na dasene